Choosing the right accounting software is a pivotal decision for any business, regardless of size or industry. It's the backbone of your financial management, impacting everything from invoicing and expense tracking to payroll and reporting. Among the myriad of options available, Sage stands out as a well-established provider with a diverse suite of software solutions. However, this variety can also make the selection process daunting. So, instead of asking which Sage software is best, the more pertinent question is, which Sage software is best for my business? As a project management expert, I understand the importance of selecting tools that align precisely with your operational needs and future growth. Just as you wouldn't use a sledgehammer to hang a picture, you shouldn't opt for an accounting system with features you'll never utilize. Nor should you choose a basic package that will quickly outgrow your expanding enterprise. This video will guide you through the Sage ecosystem, highlighting key offerings and the factors to consider when making this crucial investment. Understanding the Sage spectrum. Sage offers a range of software designed to cater to different business sizes and complexities. Here's a look at some of their prominent solutions. Sage Business Cloud Accounting, formerly Sage One. This is often the starting point for small businesses, freelancers, and sole traders. It's a user-friendly, cloud-based solution focusing on core accounting tasks like invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and basic reporting. Its simplicity and accessibility make it ideal for those with limited accounting knowledge. Think of it as the essential toolkit for managing your foundational finances. Sage 50 Cloud Accounting, formerly Sage Peachtree, bridging the gap between basic and more advanced solutions. Sage 50 Cloud combines the familiarity of desktop software with the benefits of cloud connectivity. It offers more robust features, including inventory management, advanced reporting, and payroll capabilities. This option suits growing small to medium-sized businesses that need more control over their operations. It's like upgrading from a basic toolkit to a comprehensive set with specialized instruments. Sage 200 Standard and Professional. These solutions are designed for small to medium-sized businesses with more complex needs. They offer enhanced features such as in-depth stock control, workflow automation, project accounting, and customer relationship management (CRM) integration. Sage 200 Professional often provides greater customization options. These are akin to a workshop with advanced machinery, allowing for intricate and tailored financial management. Sage Intacct. This is a true cloud-based financial management platform geared towards growing businesses and enterprises with sophisticated requirements. It boasts advanced features like multi-entity consolidation, revenue recognition, project accounting with resource management, and deep financial and operational insights. Sage Intacct is highly scalable and integrates seamlessly with other business systems. This is the enterprise-level factory, equipped for large-scale, complex financial operations with intricate reporting and analysis. Sage X3, formerly Sage Enterprise Management. This comprehensive enterprise resource planning (ERP) system is designed for larger, often multinational organizations with intricate operational and financial processes, including manufacturing, distribution, and supply chain management. It offers extensive customization and scalability. This is the sprawling industrial complex, managing vast and interconnected business functions. Key considerations for choosing your Sage software. Selecting the best Sage software hinges on a thorough evaluation of your business needs across several key areas. Business size and complexity, the number of employees, transaction volume, and the complexity of your operations are primary determinants. A sole trader will have vastly different needs than a company with multiple departments and international operations. Consider where your business is now and, importantly, where you envision it growing in the next 3 to 5 years. Will the software scale with you? Specific accounting needs. Identify the core functionalities you require. Do you primarily need invoicing and expense tracking? Or do you also need robust inventory management, payroll processing, multi-currency support, project costing, or fixed asset management? Make a prioritized list of essential features versus nice-to-haves. Industry-specific requirements. Some industries have unique accounting regulations or reporting needs. For example, construction businesses might need job costing features, while retailers require strong inventory management. Check if the Sage software you're considering caters to your specific industry. Budget. Sage offers various pricing models, including subscription-based and perpetual licenses, though the latter is becoming less common. Determine your budget for accounting software, considering not just the initial cost but also ongoing maintenance, support, and potential upgrade fees. Ease of use and user-friendliness. The software should be intuitive for you and your team to use. Consider the level of accounting expertise within your organization. Opting for a complex system that no one understands will hinder productivity. Many providers offer free trials or demos. Take advantage of these to assess the user interface. Integration capabilities. Ensure the Sage software can seamlessly integrate with other business tools you currently use or plan to implement, such as CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, and payment processors. Smooth integration streamlines workflows and reduces manual data entry. Scalability. As your business grows, your accounting software should be able to adapt and handle increased data and complexity. Consider the upgrade path within the Sage ecosystem if you anticipate significant growth. Support and training. Evaluate the level of customer support and training resources offered by Sage or their partners. Consider the availability of online documentation, tutorials, phone support, and on-site training if needed. Cloud versus desktop. Decide whether a cloud-based solution, offering accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection and automatic updates, or a desktop-based solution, installed locally on your computer, better suits your business needs and IT infrastructure.